No problem.
Yeah, I've got a lot of stuff in here. I don't even know where it came from. Like, seriously. This ball. I don't own this. Weird. And like this over here. I've never seen that before. I don't even know where it came from. Actually, I don't know where any of this stuff came from. Does it belong to you? Oh, I'm sorry. I must have forgot to return it to you.
Oh, that's okay. I'm the one who made the mistake of loaning, I'm the one who loaned it to you.
Where did these come from?
Oh, I thought I got rid of these. Perfect blooper. Saw.
John, get in here. Put it back.
I saw.
Shed. And so I'll be like, oh, thanks for helping me clean up my shed. You know? Like that. Not like that, John. Okay, ready? It's not coming.
There, you happy, Ginger? You happy that I got rid of a totally probably harmless